Man, these sound waves are really something, aren't they? You wouldn't believe the power they hold. They can alter brain waves, change a person's thinking. Unfortunately, Lord Natas has been using them for evil. He's been putting people under his trance. But I've been working on a way to counteract that. A way to deprogram those who have fallen under his spell. It's not easy. The frequencies are complex, intricate, but I'm making progress. You see, this isn't just about me. This is about my family's legacy. We've been warriors for generations. And now it's my turn to step up, to use this unique ability of mine to fight against evil. I won't let Lord Natas continue to manipulate people. I won't let him win. Follow my adventures on this channel.